not moving grain again.
Empty that big twister hopper. Not full. Should all fit in this little west steel. If not, put the last little bit in this twister. And that bin we will clean or separate peas into. So we gotta separate this bin. The peas will go in there. That bin, the peas will go in there. That other bin, the peas will go, well actually we're gonna be out of room by then, but clean this bin into that bin. And whatever's in that bin, into that bin till it's full. Yeah. We also get a chance to see how the oats have done in the bin. They look good still. Hopefully they stay that way. Look good. Smell good. You can definitely tell it's combined when it's warmer because they're not cold. But otherwise, they're looking quite nice, which is good. Nice oats. The peas in them are even nicer, like huge, beautiful peas. Whoop! What's that? Oh, lift the box up a bit. This yard needs a lot of leveling. Up and away. I do like those. They are itchy as heck, but they're fun to grow. They're fun to combine. And they also taste good when you have oatmeal too. Well, we're getting close to full. I don't think that truck's gonna fit. Whew. Dusty. Whew. Yay, yay, yay. Oat dust. Apparently canary seed dust is worse. But, oh well, I like growing oats. And they're actually fairly profitable. So, yeah, we keep growing oats. It'd be nice if we had more bigger bins though. That'd be handy. But we don't next year, or year after, or year after that. Someday maybe. So, I think this Good Deal auction quad is still a good deal, but I think it needs a bit of a rebuild. That's nasty. That's nasty. Thank God engine rebuild kits are cheap and easy to do on these Hondas. Because this one needs it. But it is a pretty fun quad though. Shift up. Oh. That's just freaking awesome. The yard is just a haze. Oh boy. Woo. Oh, it's Halloween. It's creepy, smoky. Oh, yes. Woo. Yeah. I'd say it needs a rebuild. That's so cool. well, the creepy yard smoke on a Halloween night is cool. All right, it's setup day. We're gonna clean some canola out of some peas, hopefully. Let the gong show begin, I think they say. Let's see what kind of abomination of augers and trucks and grain carts we can make today. Oh my goodness. Couldn't have got this good if you had planned on it. Just need to add the extra spout on the end and whoo! Get that. We're cleaning! Just hits it there. Actually, a 60-foot auger versus a 70-foot. Actually, no. That's like perfect. Put the big dingus spout on the end of this. Well, the extension. Look at that. Like a glove. Oh. That's a tight fit now. Look at that. That's pure gold. Like, almost. Like I guess the peas would splash out. Could almost just have it pointed like that. Probably have to put that little bit of extension on, but that's gold right there. I'll just get this bad boy in place. Did a bin of canola there. It was mainly just volunteer canola and seed, so very little canola. Finally, we're in the bin of actual quinola. Nice when you have multiple loggers. You leave that out there in the bin. This one's longer, so. Bin's getting full. Great operation. What a shit show. Look at all that canola. Action is happening today. Peas are heading out. Well, first 2 loads of peas. He is early. I was late. I like a good hot drink in the morning. Sexy Peter car. Odd maple pea in there, which kind of sucks, but nice peas otherwise. There, maple pea. Don't want that. Woo! Stuff's happening, look at that. One truck's leaving, one truck's going. It's fun when that happens. It means it's gonna be a productive day. Yeah. So slight change of plans for today. Off to Organic Alberta conference tomorrow morning early. So I was gonna, might finish separating pinola today. No, brother had different ideas. This is our pasture where we bale graze, where we feed on in the winter. And we decided to bring feed here as opposed to hauling it to the farm and then hauling it back. So we kind of got to put a fence around it. So fencing. No snow. Well, a little bit of snow in places, but I get the easy job. He's got the fencing down to kind of a science. I can do it, but just not as well. He's much better at it. So I'll let him do that. And I'll sit and drink honey, lemon, and hot water. Very tasty. It actually is. And since how long's it been? A couple weeks? Probably closing in on 2 or 3 weeks, I guess. I've quit caffeine. I did have one coffee with a neighbor because he brought it. Coffee and Bailey's. So I was like, well, I'm kind of on a caffeine diet. Oh, okay. So I did have one. But I've had way more, if it's called energy, since I haven't been drinking caffeine. I mainly coffee. And I've been sleeping better. Like I'm waking up in the morning like, why am I not sleepy? So, yeah. I'm gonna try and do this till at least Christmas. Because you gotta have like Bailey's and coffee at Christmas. But I don't know, this might be kind of like a normal thing. Man, that post pounder shirt pushes the truck around. Anyways, yeah. Non-caffeine hot drink. Pretty darn good, actually. You can put all kinds of stuff in as long as there's no caffeine. And I must say, I really like it. Moo cows, you ready to go to your next grazing patch? You got some green barley to eat. You guys clean this up quite good. Ready to roll? Where the guys are with the quads. Get everyone enticed with this nice green grass, and then you guys will follow us like fat kid on a cupcake. I say I am that fat kid and I love cupcakes. Good girls, huh? Hi. Am I on your level now? Am I on your level now? Yeah? I like you. You're a cutie. G5. Hi, little heifer. You're a nice looking heifer. Huh? And we're moving. Down the road we go. Normally we drive forward, but I was like, yeah, the bale's on the front. We want them to be attracted to the bale, but realistically, probably could have just drove forward, but we don't really want to go too fast anyways. Get them all wound up, and then they'll be all sweaty and huffing and puffing and got pneumonia, and yeah, so we'll just go like 7 mile an hour. Should be good, I think. Hopefully. We'll see. Hey, slow down, mama. It gets dicey when you don't have a fence. Not bad if you have a fence along all sides, but at least Steven can kind of keep up with them, and then they all just stop sometimes. Oh, where do we go? Do we go in here where there's no fence and be bad girls, or do we just follow along the road where they're trying to get us to go? Yeah. Yeah, they're fairly well behaved, but still. It's kind of the only half mile on this stretch that has no fence. And it ends right there. We just got to get them like, and of course it's all nice, never grazed grass in there. So trying to get them to keep going is gonna be, yeah, not ideal. Come on. And just like that, we've arrived. Look at that. Some happy girls. You have lots of feed here. 30 acres, I think, of this stuff. Yeehaw. Cows are home. Well, not home. They're at their next spot. They're home for the next month. Maybe 2. We'll see. Probably a month. Alright, that's with the auger. And so now we can't use this thing. So it's kind of... Oh, I think it's kind of working. Good. Holy moly! That's a lot of canola coming out. There's about 6-inch augers.